My name is Patrick Liu. I'm the CEO of HSR Global Limited. We have been around since 1981, so that makes us the longest established mega real estate agency in Singapore. In the last 20 years, we have been marketing properties from all over the world. We're in the business of globalizing real estate transactions all over the world now.
Alastair Tong, Senior Manager for the Special Brokerage Unit in HSR. The real estate business is very complicated to a lot of people, but fundamentally it's very, very simple. It's all about prospecting, meeting people, getting connected with people, and giving them information.
We have approximately about 2,700 agents at this moment. We also believe that, and we are very confident that as time goes by, as we move on, this number will increase.
Consumers are getting more knowledgeable, more sophisticated, more demanding. As a result of that, it is a very, very challenging industry. We were running a client-server computing infrastructure. And as a result, we are limited in terms of space, in terms of time, in terms of matter. You know, there are a lot of things that we want to do, we cannot do because of the limitations of the old infrastructure that we have created. And when we look at cloud computing, we say, this is what we need. This is how we can create the ideal world. So the first thing we did was to talk to all the major vendors. We came to a conclusion that we need to move into a Google Apps world.
It took less than a month to from the day of signing the deal all the way to getting all the agents implemented and deployed onto Google Apps.
Our people are already familiar. For them to move into a Google Apps world is not a problem at all. It's user-friendly, it's easy to use.
This shift to Google Apps is a very exciting move for me because personally I've been a Google Apps user. For example, my whole life is pinned down on Google Calendar. I send appointments to my customers, I send appointments to my agents. Even my wife makes an appointment with me through Google Apps. Whenever there's any change of a schedule, whenever there's any cancellation or any movement in courses, schedules or launch dates, everything could be seen on the fly, remotely. So we know exactly where each other is at any given point of time.
Property is one of the most important things that a person ever owns in life. So giving such big assets into a person's hand, they want to know typically what you are doing every day.
Now in the Google App world, we can create a site where everybody can go to the site. We can do the briefing, we can update them, we can keep updating changes on the site itself. And we can monitor the whole team, we can better manage and lead the team.
It's so simple to use. I always say this to my people. As long as you know how to use a word processor, you can build your own site. Your way, your style, your customization.
It's wonderful, easy to use, easy to create, and you can create multiple pages.
To know anything about HTML, I just need to know how to copy and paste, click, drag. So it's pretty comprehensive and I can just upload straight away.
Google Documents as well is a platform for me to keep my essential forms when I was still selling in the market. Right? My essential forms are put up in Google Docs so that I can edit them on the fly wherever I go.
With Google Docs, it's different. Like I can save everything in the cloud. I can save everything on the internet.
Especially one document shared by all at the same time. So that reduces repetition.
Then you are able to see it live that I'm typing. Like you literally see every single word.
Most of the time I use presentation, and that is where I invite my fellow colleagues or my team manager. At the same time, anywhere, anytime, we just fix the time and all of us, we go in to use it together.
This move to Google Ads for a salesperson is incredible because information will be with them in a split second. It will all be available on a mobile device, on a mobile platform.
And mobile devices, and most of my guys, we are always carry iPhone, iPad around, and it's really, really good for us.
All my people have information in their fingertip. They can be out in the field, they can have all the information. They do not have to worry about any downtime. They are in a much better position right now than they have ever been before.
In our business, it's all about speed. In our business, it's all about time. Whoever that actually can reach the customer first may win the game.
Instead of going to a customer, bringing them through the whole process of looking at a property, giving them data, giving them information, what we can do now is that we can give it to them anytime, anywhere, on the fly, even with mobile devices. That's the beauty of Google Apps.
Technology will either make or break any business, anywhere in the world. Cloud computing is not a choice anymore. Cloud computing is something that we all have to use. I think this is something that every entrepreneur, every CEOs, every enterprise should look into. Today in the Google App world, we are as close as one screen away. So virtually we can be together. We can build this beautiful culture together.